In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best car LED headlights available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the car LED headlights list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the car LED headlights mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, BAISHIDE Car Lights H4 LED Canbus LED H7 20000 LM. The BAISHIDE H4 LED Canbus headlight bulb offers 20,000 lumens of brightness for clear, bright light. Compatible with various models including H4, H7, H11, H1, and more, this 12V, 24V bulb can be used in both cars and motorcycles. Its Canbus technology ensures no error codes or flickering during operation, making it a reliable and efficient choice for vehicle lighting. Whether for headlights or fog lights, this LED bulb provides a sharp, focused beam for safer driving experiences. Number 4, YHKOMS Car LED Headlight H7 LED 6000K 200W 50,000 LM. This YHKOMS LED headlight offers powerful illumination with its 200W output and 50,000 lumens, providing a bright 6000K white light for superior visibility. It's compatible with various car models, including H7, H4, H1, H8, H11, HB3, and HB4, making it a versatile choice for car enthusiasts. Its turbo design helps with heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance. The YHKOMS LED headlight is perfect for improving road safety in all driving conditions, especially in low light and foggy environments. Number 3, AUXITO 2X 12V H7 LED Headlight Canbus No Error. The AUXITO 12V H7 LED headlight offers a 360-degree lighting range with its turbo LED bulb, providing a bright and clear beam. It's equipped with CSP technology that ensures 100W and 20,000 lumens for superior illumination. Designed specifically for Toyota, Hyundai, Ford, and Kia models, it features a Canbus system for error-free performance. This LED bulb is energy efficient and designed for easy installation, making it a reliable and powerful upgrade for your vehicle's headlights. Number 2, DAWNKNIGHT K8C40W K7C LED Long Life Version. The DAWNKNIGHT K8C40W LED headlight is designed with 3 copper tubes to provide excellent heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance. Compatible with H7, H4, H11, and other car models, this LED headlight is perfect for drivers seeking durable, energy-efficient lighting. With 40W of power, it provides optimal brightness for safe nighttime driving, and the copper tubes help extend the lifespan of the bulb. It's easy to install and ideal for various car models, offering enhanced visibility in performance. Number 1, 160W 28000 LM Auto Lamp Mini Lens LED H4 9003 HIB2 bulbs. This powerful 160W LED headlight delivers 28,000 lumens of brightness, making it an excellent choice for car and motorcycle lighting. Featuring dual projector lenses, it enhances visibility and safety on the road, whether driving at night or in foggy conditions. The H4 9003 HIB2 design makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, while the 12V, 24V voltage range ensures it can be used in both cars and motorcycles. With a compact, mini lens design, this headlight offers easy installation and powerful performance, providing clear, bright light for any journey.